My lovelies, my lovelies, my lovelies. So it is day 4 and there's just been a lot of improvements today. So first being, my skin looks so much better today. It's like a major improvement and I'm so happy it's going back to normal. First thing. Second thing, I woke up this morning and like I felt pretty dang normal. So that was really good. But I am going to touch on last night though. So this is a thing that I've noticed for the last 2 days. I always am cold. I'm one of those people that be cold. However, when I say I've been cold, like I've been cold, like to the point where I had to like put socks on for the last 2 nights, and I never sleep with socks. I hate sleeping with socks. I hate that feeling. I've slept with socks 2 nights in a row. I usually sleep with no clothes. A couple of the nights I woke up and I put clothes on. As you can see right now, I have a robe on. Outside it's probably like 80 something degrees. So yeah, I've noticed I've been a little bit cold, but it's like between hot and cold. I go hot and cold. Majority of the time I get colder, but then I get really hot sometimes too. So like the last 2 nights, I found myself waking up in the middle of the night, like putting covers on, then taking them off. Then like I've woke up maybe like 3, 4 times during the night, which is definitely a normal symptom of water fasting. Has it like affected my sleep for when I wake up where I'm just so drained? No, not really. Like I wake up kind of the same. Today was the first day that I started listening to music other than my crystal bowls. So today I've only been listening to Sade. That's my spirit animal. I love her so much and I want to see her in concert. I love her. And that's about it. I haven't really listened to anything else. I listened to one Janae song, Magic Hours, like my favorite song. She's one of my favorite artists as well. And the reason why I really like that album is because she has crystal bowls throughout every song. I don't know if you don't know that, but every song in her newest album, she does have crystal bowls in the background. You may not hear it like directly, but it's playing. So I think that is absolutely beautiful. What could I say? No mucus. I took all my vitamins already. I made my tea. I never got to finish my tea from last night though, because it was just so nasty. Like I had left the tea bag of the liver cleanse in it, and you're not supposed to. You're supposed to take that bag out after I think 5 minutes of steeping the tea. I left it in and didn't realize. When I say that tea was unbearable, like I couldn't do it. So I got rid of the tea and I just made some fresh one this morning. So I haven't drunk it yet, but I'm gonna drink it. I decided I'm gonna take a nap because I have like not like hunger pains. Not at all. It's just kind of like this emptiness that my stomach feels. And I just kind of want to sleep through it. I think I'm going to go for a walk in a couple of hours. It's still kind of early, so I'm going to probably wait till like maybe 4 o'clock to do that, so that I could just like come right in and jump in the shower. Another thing, last night, right before I went to bed, I did feel like kind of like, not nauseous like extremely, but I did kind of feel like sick, like dang, I just want to like eat something like to coat my stomach, but I pushed through it. And when I woke up, I was very delighted to find that I did not feel this way. I definitely feel a lot more energized than I did yesterday. Yesterday was a freaking beast. Like yesterday, I wish upon no one. I hope your 3rd days were better than mine and that your 3rd day goes better than mine for anybody that's joining the fast later on. But day 4 today, I feel pretty normal. I am getting repulsed by the taste of water, which is crazy because, again, I only drink water. So it's like weird that now, like the thought, the taste of it is just like repulsive a bit. So I definitely noticed that today it's taking a lot more for me to get water down. But I don't have any headaches. I don't have like any nausea. And I'm not weak like yesterday. Yesterday I started getting so weak. But towards the end of day 3 yesterday, I did start to get a little bit more energy. But it just wasn't like, it wasn't a fun time. I spent the majority of the time in bed, and I couldn't get myself to go on a walk yesterday. But today I'm gonna push through it because I feel pretty dang normal, like overall. Would I eat if there was food in front of me, like, and I wasn't on a water fast? Oh, I would eat, like, for sure, hands down. But it's like I'm halfway there now, so it's like, why would I give up, you know? So yeah, I just woke up really happy. So everything seems to be falling into place. So if you're at this point, just keep pushing on. And when I wake up from my nap that I'm gonna attempt to take, that I probably won't be able to take like the other day, but I'm gonna try it anyways, I'm gonna edit my day 3 vlog. And I decided that I'm gonna do my first live on the day 7, just to check in. I'm gonna do all my vlogs, all my lives on the last day of the week. So every Sunday for the next 4 Sundays, I'm gonna go live on my main channel though. So if you don't follow me on my main channel, it's iamLindaElaine. That's my main channel. I'm gonna go live on that probably 6:30 Pacific, 9:30 Eastern. And you guys will be able to just, like, you know, check in with me, tell me how you guys' fast is going, anything you guys want to share with me, and we'll try that. We'll see how it goes, because we still have 3 more weeks, well, 3.5 weeks left. So yeah, I got some of my friends to join in, some of my family has joined in, so it's really beautiful. I'm really glad that I did this. I also feel like I've been able to connect with myself much deeper spirituality wise. My meditations have always been beautiful, and honestly my intuition since I was a kid, my mom has always taught me to use it and you know, heighten it. So I've always had that. However, like during this time, like I feel like I could really use my intuition to like help others. Like if people ask me a question like, oh, what should I do about this? Like I feel like my intuition is so quick now to like help me answer other people's questions. So that's been really interesting. What else has been going on? I'm ready for it to be over. I cannot wait to drink some smoothies. You guys have no idea. I don't know what day I'm gonna push myself to go to the grocery store, but I'm thinking maybe tomorrow I'm going to go to the grocery store and get some more mangoes and strawberries, because those are my favorite smoothies. And if you follow me on Instagram, I make fire smoothies. The only difference is I usually use coconut milk. So I'm contemplating how I'm gonna do it now, if I'm just gonna use water and maybe agave, or if I'm just going to try coconut water. I don't know, it's just really hard because I don't know any coconut waters that don't add sugar. That's the issue. So if you guys know any coconut waters that's strictly coconut water that doesn't add any sugar to it, then definitely let me know, because I'll check it out. But the majority of the ones that I do know, they have, even if it's a gram or 2 grams, they do add sugar, and that kind of defeats the whole purpose of being on a detox. So I think that's my check-in for the day. I didn't think I was going to talk this much, but it's about to be 10 minutes, so I'm about to sign out, and hopefully I could take this nap. I still need to do my nails. There's a lot of things I need to do. Okay, I'm outro. I can't even get myself to edit day 3 because I just can't. So I will do it tomorrow. It is the end of day 4, and let me tell you how I'm feeling. So it's a mix of, I'm not like craving food. Like food would be great, but like it's not like on my mind as much as it was day 2 and day 3. Again, water is repulsing me. I just don't even want to drink it. I usually love drinking my herb teas in the morning, and like today I have yet to drink it. I just don't want it. Like, I don't. Another thing that I'm also wondering is, because I'm taking my herbs as well, I feel like I'm detoxing a lot faster than if I was just on water alone. Wow, I look crazy. Let me fix myself. Let me try to look cute for the tube. I feel like I'm detoxing way faster than if I was to just do a water fast by itself without the herbs. So I'm being mindful of that, because I'm not trying to push my body too much without like food, because the majority of the herbs that I take are best to be taken with food. So I'm going to assess when I get to day 5, which is tomorrow. I'm trying to at least get to day 7 and break my fast in the evening of day 7, because some plans got changed, which now I have to leave earlier than originally planned. So I don't want to be not on solid fruits yet. So I think I'm going to have to break fast Sunday night. But again, I'm still really trying to assess with the herbs. I think I watched so many other fasting journeys, and I think that my journey has like accelerated beyond theirs just for the simple fact of the herbs. So I don't want to do too much by trying to go as long as I planned with the herbs. So I'm kind of repeating myself. We'll see. Today was kind of eh. In the morning, I was super energized. Like, I had no issues. As the day started wearing down, I wanted to nap, but I couldn't nap. I literally spent the majority of the time in bed. I didn't really want to even listen to music. I listened to Sade for maybe half the day, and then by the time like maybe 4:30 came around, I just wanted silence. I didn't want to hear any music, which is so not like me, because anybody who actually knows me in real life knows that I play music from the moment I wake up to the moment I go to sleep. And the music actually shuts off while I'm asleep. It's on a timer. So music is so important to me, and I just could not do it today. I didn't even like go in my meditation room really today. I just sprayed my plants, and then like that was it. I spent like no time upstairs. So I could say today I was kind of just like blah. The thing that's bothering me most though right now is like, because I'm not like, I have like minor OCD. So I clean, if not every day, every other day. And I have not been able to have the energy to clean my house. So I just feel like when I like go in the bathroom or like do anything, I'm just like, oh my God, I just want to clean. And I know my level of clean is way different than everybody else's, like the majority of people at least. But like there were some splatters on my mirror, and I just got so upset. I was so sad because I was like, I don't have the energy to climb on the sink right now and clean you. Like, because my mirror goes damn near all the way to my ceiling. So it's like, it's not like oh, let me just wipe you down real quick. No, I have to climb the sink, stand up, wipe, squat. I ain't got the energy for that. I just don't. So literally, I was looking at it, and I was just like, you know, like knowing that I cannot really thoroughly clean my house until Monday. That part is killing me. My light just shut off. It's automatic light. Ah! I swear, anytime I don't want this light on, it's on. But when I need it to stay on, it's like, actually, I'm about to go off. So yeah, that's one thing that's irritating me, is not being able to clean my house every day. I didn't take a walk today because I just did not feel like getting out of bed. So I just did my lymphatic massage in the shower and did my hot and cold, the usual. But I will say I feel 1,000 times better than I did yesterday. Yesterday, I wish that upon nobody. Nobody should go through that. So Yeah, I really just want to sleep. Like, I'm getting to the point where I just want to sleep the days away so that they're over. And that's terrible. That's a terrible feeling. I just don't feel like doing anything right now. Like, today was really like I don't feel like doing anything. Like, I've texted my friends, I've talked to my parents, but I haven't moved out of this spot for the most part, and I'm not happy about it. Like, I haven't read today. I haven't edited. Like, I just feel so unproductive. Like, I still have 3 more herbs to take, and going upstairs right now is like not what I want to do. So I guess this is pretty much my day 4. Definitely was a lot better than yesterday, so I will say that, but I'm getting to the point I can't wait to eat again. I watched more food videos. My friend Cam sent me freaking videos from Jamaica food, and I was just like, I mean, it was so bad. I was going through it so bad that by accident, I sent a voice note cussing in the group chat with my dad. Like, that's how much that video affected me. Like, had me just wanting all types of Jamaican food. So, I mean, I guess I'm wrapping this up. Wish me luck on finishing this dang tea. I pretty much don't have anything in my bottle. I probably have like maybe 8 ounces left in my gallon bottle of water. But I do have 4 cups of water in the saucepan upstairs with herb tea that, like, the thought of it is repulsing me right now. And it's crazy because I usually love my tea. I'm done. I'm off. Bye. And I'm sorry for the delay in the next video, like the lag of it, but I can't even bother like looking at a screen right now. I just can't. Oh, yes, my nose is like a dog's nose. I smell everything, and I think depending on certain things that I smell, it like nauseates me. The candle on my nightstand is not lit, and I smell it so much when I turn to the left. It's just like I want to close the candle. Like, senses is on 1,000. So sometimes it like nauseates me. And yeah, so I can't be around strong scents at all. Any other things I want to touch on? I think that's it. So I'm outro. Sorry I wasn't like filming throughout the day, but I wasn't doing anything. You didn't miss anything. Just drinking water, laying in bed, not doing a dang thing. So I'll see you tomorrow. Day 5.